Mosquito they in the sky. Make traffic clap twice as high. Run for life, it stab you like a knife. It's the chicken gun man. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. This ChikV, Chikungunya, chicken gonorrhea, come in like a thief in the night. The thing come in pan the island and start like over St. Thomas Portland end. And poor fool me there thinks them covered under the blood. It's a pity me never remember say blood and mosquito is like Kim Kardashian to black man. Some extraction afegwan. Now all of a sudden, the whole town I get it one by one. And the authorities them still are set under control and are just a limited amount of reported cases. The people them what are dead in. Since this old Chikungunya thing take over, sick leaf I give it like a chicken back in a general elections. This Chikungunya thing are run so rampant that Panadol is a local Jamaican bestseller. Knowing how Jamaican people love hustle, me would be surprised if the youth them in a half a tree running pan the liquor business.
Panadol, two already, every 6 hours.
Just when me think some epidermis having a built-in mosquito repellent, the chicken gunman shot me. Hey, Chikungunya! He Chikungunya! Me have Chikungunya! Me have Chikungunya! People, my run go tell my granny say me have the ChikV and hear what she tell me.
Go drink little ginger tea, help you bust the gas.
How to avoid ChikV? Not trust no dirty careless daytime mosquito. A them a spread it. X to Y, go. X to Y, X to Y. Use mosquito repellent like a Bath and Body Works you have. Dress like say you one of the bleachers them from all angles. No man, Jesus. No man, the mosquito are dangerous. Dangerous bad man. Migrate. Guana England. Mosquito, them not like coal. And finally, prayer. Jah make them fly away. Fly. Them dirty stinking mosquito.
When the rash take you over, Chikungunya, Chikungunya, Chikungunya. When your joints start to pain ya, Chikungunya, Chikungunya, Chikungunya. When fever out fi boil you, Chikungunya, Chikungunya, Chikungunya.
How to get rid of ChikV? Take enough, stock up from now. Panadol and Cetamol. Cause people, trust me, the joint pain something there not nice. It will have you a walk like when baby do up them pampas. Not to mention like when the fever ablaze up your body like keep it on a stage show. So that was it for my Chikungunya talk. So now I'm going to move over to my nice clean Novia White McDonald interview. So check that out.
Yes, so burritos, I'm here with the lovely, the Novia McDonald White, right? Okay, so tell us why you are here on the Dr. Berry Show, my next scale show. Why are you here?
Well, Dr. Berry is actually here at the Observer, visited me. Because we were watching Scandal together.
Yes.
But we're really here to tell you about Taste Night Out. Thursday, October 2, 5 hours of non-stop retail, therapy, shopping at bottom prices. The biggest sale in the entire region for a good Jamaica.
Yeah. A little birdie tells me, say, you're going to be getting a certain award. And I'm really sure, is it? I don't know if you're going to be made a heroine. I don't know.
I like that, yeah. I need my cake.
Yeah. So could you tell the burritos exactly what exactly you will be getting in that for? A few weeks from now.
A few weeks from now.
Yeah.
On Monday, October 20th. OD.
Yeah,
so
see there?
It will be NNWOD.
And what we're going to tell the people out there, bad mind and these are
bad mind and these are my
friends. Yes. See there, can't talk to her anymore.
Thank you, Miss Novia. Well, that's it, burritos. Make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Spread the word, alright? Ha! I want to pick up the shirt here by Bromeo from Birch Ambassador T-shirt. Yes, I are loving it. And people, you can follow them on Instagram and Twitter at Bromeo by Birch. So make sure you do that, alright? Thanks. So those of you who sitting high and sitting pretty and things that you can't catch, you won't ever get this Chikungunya virus. Don't worry. Phone time soon come.
So yeah.
box cover.
Wow, I felt that, you know, that brought me to tears just now.